How to set up lines and grids on notes on your Android device. First thing you have to do is open up your Notes app. I'm currently using Samsung Notes, so let's see how you can do it. From here on out, you're going to have to create a new note by tapping on the pencil icon at the bottom right corner. And once you tap on it, a new note will appear on your screen where you're able to take notes. So now, in order to bring in the grid lines, you have to tap on the three lines at the top right, and you have different options here like page sorter, page templates, and page settings. You just want to head over to the template and then tap on it. And by default, you'll be able to see all of these kind of grid lines that you want. So if you just want long horizontal lines on your note to make it a bit cleaner, you could do that from here, and you could also adjust the size of your text. So let me just make it a bit smaller so that it fits on the line. So if I just do 14, as you can see, these texts fit perfectly on the line. If you want to do other templates, you could do that as well, like these grid lines. Or if you're trying to draw something, these grid lines could be helpful for your reference. And then here are other options like dotted lines, lists, and a margin as well. So that's how you set up lines and grids on your notes on your Android device. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.